Hi everyone, welcome back. In previous lecture we have seen sum aggregate function. In this lecture we are going to take a look into average aggregate function to calculate the average of all the values in a specified column. For example, here let us select all the rows from employee table first. Select star from employees. So here we have employees table with some sample data. Next, let us go ahead and let us see how to use average aggregate function to calculate the average salary for all the employees. So for that, just type the SQL statement, select, and then followed by the average aggregate function, and then we are going to calculate the average for salary column values. So just pass salary column name to the average aggregate function, and then followed by the alias name. Let us say average underscore salary, and then from employees table. Next, hit enter, and there we go. You can see the average salary for all the employees in the table. So this is how we use average aggregate function to calculate the average for all the values in the specified column. Okay, so this average function basically sum all these values and divide by the number of rows. So that is what you can see the output. Okay, next let us see how to use average aggregate function to calculate the average salary for a specific department. So here we have calculated the average salary for all the employees in all the departments, but now we want to use average aggregate function to calculate the average salary for a specific department. Let us say IT department. Okay, so for that let us write the SQL query here. Select followed by the department name, and then average aggregate function, and then pass salary column and give the alias as average underscore salary, and then from employees. This query basically calculates the average salary for all the employees in all the departments. But now we want to calculate the average salary for a specific department. For that we have to use the where clause with condition. So here just type where clause and then pass add the department equal to IT as a condition, and hit enter, and there we go. So this is the average salary for IT department. If you want to find the average salary for HR department, then you can just replace the value from IT to HR. Okay, perfect. Next, let us go ahead and let us see how to calculate the average salary for each department. So here we have calculated the average salary for a specific department, that is IT department. But now what we want to do is we want to group all the employees by department and calculate the average salary for each department. So in order to achieve this, we have to use group by clause. Okay, so let us see how to use average aggregate function with group by clause over here. So just type select followed by the column from which we want to group, that is department, and then average aggregate function followed by the column name salary, and then give alias, let us say average underscore salary from employees table, and then group by department. So this SQL query groups the employees by department and calculate the average salary for each department. So hit enter, and there we go. You can see the average salary for each department. So this is how we use average aggregate function with group by clause. So this is all about using average aggregate function. Alright, I will see you in the next lecture.